Hello and welcome once again to the Clinical Modeling Project tutorial videos. Today we are going to focus on a very important aspect of the project. We are going to go through the template that we will be using to all the videos that will be integrated in the common library of medical and nursing cases. In order to do so, we will learn some new things in this tutorial, but also we will be using all the knowledge that we have been getting in the previous videos. For starters, you need to go to the folder that we created at the beginning, and you can notice that we have added a new subfolder inside with media. Inside this folder, we have two files. There are two photos basically, one to be used at the end of the video and one to be used at the beginning. So all the videos that we will be putting on our common library, they will have the same format and the same image and the same aspect regardless of their content. In order to do so, we are going to import these two media files, these two photos, into our work area. So we have already learned how to do this. So we can go here to import media. We can select the two files that we want to import, and we are going to place them there. So now we have our this file that is an image. We have also this file that is an image, and we have this file that is our original video. Our video, the video that we've been working and that we already cut, is here in the timeline. So in order to add these two files, we are going to have to move and to create some space in order to put the title there. And we are going just to simply drag and drop this file here. You can see that now the video, this portion of image is here, and we can adjust its duration here. You can see that it has 5 seconds. Our recommendation and our template for the videos is that this section has exactly 3 seconds. So we can go here and we can make it 3 seconds long. Now we can drag again this video in order to make it close to that one. And now we are going to introduce the panel that we want our video to finish. So we can drag it here and put it exactly at the end. And also this one, we will make it have 3 seconds long. So we just make it here. And you can see the duration at the bottom line. And we can make it 3 seconds. Now, if we play our video, we can see that the video will start with our panel for 3 seconds. And then the video starts. And if we speed up and drag it to the end, as the video finishes, we will have this screen with the identification of the funding and the identification of the process. It's very important that all the videos that we will create to the common library of medical and nursing cases have exactly this template, no matter the duration, no matter the topic, that all of them have this format. Now, what we are going to do is to add a title to the video. So as you can see in this screen, we have the identification of the project and the funding. We have the identification of the common library and of the common library of medical and nursing cases, and we have some space here to add the title to the video. And this is what we are going to do next, because we already learned how to do that in our previous lesson. So as you remember, we can go to titles here, and we can choose one specific option here. That is the one that we recommend. That is lower third 35. This is the template that we recommend for this, and you will understand why. So if you add this title, you can see that it appears as we've seen here in the line, and we will make it also 3 seconds long in order to make him coincident with the duration of the panel. If you click on the text option here, you can see that this is activated here, and that now we have two layers, one top layer of text and a lower top layer of text. In order to simplify this, because the text color is white, we recommend that you change the colors here to this color. That is the one that is closer to the text color of our project. You can choose that for layer 1, and you can choose the same color for layer 2. And now the texts are visible, as you can see. So what will we write here? On the top layer, so in layer 1, you should introduce the name of your institution. I'm going to write Santa Maria Health School as an example. And here on the second layer, on layer 2, we are going to write basic life support. So you can see that now you can use the drag and drop here, so you can move the text and place it where you want, as we've seen also in the previous lesson. So now we have our video is identified as being part of the common library of medical and nursing cases. We have identified the institution that created the video, and we have identified the topic of the video. And if we play the video now, you can see that during 3 seconds, the video will be identified as what it is. We will have the video, and we will have the final panel of the video. As the video ends, we will have our panel. And with this, we have created our video. Thank you very much, and we will be getting back soon, and hope to see you in our next session. Thank you very much.